Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got OPPO A38 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera. Let's tap on it, and I'm not really sure whether you can see this special type of a grid line, those diagonal lines, I believe. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically those lines should disappear after resetting. So in order to reset the settings, we have to enter the settings themselves, which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it, and then let's scroll down to the very bottom. Basically, it does not really matter on which mode you will be because it is simply connected. The settings are kind of general. So as I said, enter the settings and tap on Restore Defaults. Let's tap on Restore Defaults again. And nothing happened. However, let's go back to the camera, and as you can see, or actually cannot see, the grid lines, they just disappeared, which means that we just successfully reset all previous customization to the defaults in the camera app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.